Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to assign volume controls on your Corsair M65 RGB Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the key assignments. Here, what you guys want to do is choose a button that you want to be responsible for our volume controls. And what are we gonna do next is we're just gonna add it. For me, it will be left and right tilt. So we're gonna click on the plus button here. We're gonna choose the remap. So here we have the assignment type. We're gonna go to media and select a button. So the left one will be for volume down, for an example. And we're gonna add a new assignment. Here we also press media. Now we're gonna press the volume up, and it will be the right tilt. So now whenever I tilt my mouse to the left side, as you guys can see, the volume is going down. You can see the slider, and now it is going up. So that's how it works. That's how you guys can set it up. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.